The previous video covered the KS-10's field operation procedure. Today I will demonstrate the steps of software processing. First, export the scanned data. Remove the SD card and insert it into a card reader. Here, it is necessary to note that the computer for data processing should meet the following config to prevent crashes during data processing due to insufficient computing power. Then find the corresponding project file. The file adopts the name of the project at scan and the creation date. Drag it into the computer. Here, it is necessary to ensure that the disk area where the project file is located has more than 30 gigabytes of reserved space. It also ensures that the computer can process data normally.
A few moments later.
Open our point cloud data processing software. First, create a new project. Find the project file we just dragged in and put the project file name. The software automatically recognizes the data file path. Click OK directly. This project can use the default configuration and does not need coordinates this time. Just use the default config. Select the corresponding usage scenario. If the computer config is powerful enough, you can tick all the data processing effects at once. Here we only check the colorful point cloud. Click Start Calc to calculate.
A few moments later.
The calculation is done, and let's take a look at the final processing effect. This is a KS-10 indoor space data processing workflow. To learn more about the KEPLER KS-10, click here to message me.